Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. On this video we're at our animated videos tool and we're going to be seeing on how to work with transitions. So to add a transition in the middle of your slides, you can just go over here where it says none, click on it, and we have a huge variety of transitions that you can choose from. I'm just going to choose a random one. Over here on the bottom we also have these animated ones. I'm just going to pick the clipboard one and we're going to play from the beginning so you guys can see it. So 1, 2, 3, clipboard and the other slide. We can also pick one for the exit. So if I wanted my slide to end, for example like this, it would zoom out. So let's play from the beginning. It's going to be 1, 2, 3 and change slide, and then 1, 2, 3, zoom out, just like that. This is going to be it for the video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.
To get started with BuilderAll version 3, please click the link below this video now.